Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to explain about static website and static web app. After development of your React app, Angular app or Next.js or any other UI development, when we deploy this on Azure, then we can see two options. One, we can go for static website or we can go for static web app. So we need to choose which is right fit. So let us start from pricing. First point, static website is hosted on storage account, Azure storage account, and its cost is around $10, 9.67 something, and you can say approximately $10 if we are choosing cheapest tier, pricing tier. And B1 D1, that is V1, it is around $55, but let us talk for the lowest price tier, that is D1. So with it is around $10 per month you need to pay for static website on a storage account with various other free offering. Now other one is static web app. So static web app is also having some free offering. You can choose free pricing tier. Also you can go for standard pricing tier. In standard pricing tier, it is $9 per month with other offering. Various other offering, you can say SSL certificate is free and various other features, custom authentication and many more you can see. So here I would say these are the key features: free plus standard of static web app. Some other feature, when I compare them little more deeper, then I found some key differences which are very important. One is scalability. Static web app is scalable. It support global scalability, availability also high availability. We have option to connect API directly with this static web app with various other free offering, free SSL, free custom domain. Also important point is CI/CD automation deployment, where you have option you can write your YAML and Terraform script for creating enterprise code and YAML for creating packaging. You can say packaging and deployment, and all three steps you can put in single pipeline. So it has various option to do lots of customization on your automation. Now I can show you how to create static web app on Azure portal. Let us go to Azure portal. Here is Azure portal home page, and you can click on static web app, which is better for or right fit for React, Angular and new modern UI. So this is my suggestion. Don't go for storage account static website. You can create a static web app which is right fit with various other feature, and it is also cheaper. So I can click on this option, then you can see this is a create button. Here you can click on create, then you can select this subscription, and then you can select the storage, what is that, resource group name, and you can mention this site name. So site name I would add prefix SWA, and then I would say education, and then I would say POC. Okay, this is my site name. Here you can go for free tier, but I'm selecting this standard tier, and then you can select this location where you want to host it. I can select West Europe, and these are the deployment options are coming by default, but in my case, I'll go with custom deployment where I'll be writing my YAML and Terraform script for resource creation and YAML for packaging and deployment on those resources. Okay, so I can select the other option. Okay, and then click on next. Here you can give some tagging like product. I would say product name you can mention this is related to education. Environment I would say, oh yes, environment it is dev. Okay, this is optional, not mandatory. And click here, and now it is validating your locations, name and resource group. Done, validation is done. You can click on create. So deployment is started. I mean it instance is getting created on Azure. It is in progress. So we can soon see the static web app on. Yes, you can see it is done, created. When you click on go to resource, then you can see static web app detail. So name of this site is SWA Education POC. Here you can see this URL. When you click on this URL, then you can see static website page would be open. Let me copy this and paste here on new browser. Click, then this is showing your static web app is live and waiting for your content. Okay, so coming back, right, this one here. Right, now what you can see after creation of this, you can see these various options which are available. Here you can directly connect this static web app with the API also. You can create the API and then link that API here using this option. Okay, then API will connect to database and it will, this would be follow the complete cycle: UI, API and database. Right. So this is the key option which is not available in static website. And there are various other thing also where you can do this custom domain also you can create. To the configuration you can enable application inside, and also you can enable this access control. So these are the key feature of static web app, which is cheaper. So I would say static web app is better than static website in many sense, which is right fit for your React, Angular and other modern UI app. So guys, that is all. In next video I can explain how to create this custom domain, and for this custom domain you need CNAME, also you need DNS zone. So I'll cover in next video. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching.